Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 76 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. This comes from Ray in Saginaw, Michigan. I think I remember a George Jones tune that reference to Saginaw, Michigan. And Ray has requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth, and we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM right now at the one strong station I get in my area. Let's turn it on.
Is massive and devastating.
Okay, and then we're gonna check the virtual balance and fader controls. So we'll need our output meters.
And Interon itself. Only then will Ron realize
front rear fader.
Killing an American.
Whoops.
Is an
Try that again.
absolute red line that they can.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Remember.
So now it's all the way
Trump
front.
in 2020 killed their terrorists.
Front.
For targeting Americans. Just a few weeks
Center.
earlier. In 1988, Ronald Reagan.
Fader set.
Okay. Left right balance.
Gulf, which didn't result in
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Damage
All the way left.
Right.
Left.
Unfortunately,
Right.
this is the result of 8 years of
Center.
failed policies from Barack Obama. And
Balance
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Don't need this stuff anymore. Make sure the Bluetooth pairs.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets to stations in my area so we can get through this quickly. That one drifted a little bit. There we go.
Ports will also be given per gallon bonus.
Okay, so there's our FM. Let's try the 8-track. Okay, and on these Cadillac units, you pull the volume control to eject, and there's that. And the radio comes back. Okay, so that completes the test, and of course you can see that the dial light's lit, and now the dial light is out. Okay, so that completes the test. Everything's ready to go. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can call me at 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ray, for your business all the way from Michigan to Arizona, and we'll see you guys next time.